The primary focus of VIT management is to get everyone who gets admission into VIT a good placement. Microsoft has hired 7 students from VIT.
How does VIT bring so many companies here?
So we have students who have gone to US, UK. In Dream category, we have big recruiters like Deloitte, KPMG, Bank of America.
They always have a proper communication with the students. It helps us to decide about the future.
I'm Dr. V. Samuel Rajkumar, Director of Placement and Training at VIT University, Vellore. So I head the placements for VIT for all the campuses. We have 4 campuses, as you know, Vellore, Chennai, Amaravati and Bhopal. The placement process is a centralized process here. The primary focus of VIT management is to get everyone who gets admission into VIT a good placement in a company which is of repute, which offers a good salary, and not only one job offer. Actually, we want to give the students multiple job offers and want to promote them in the career of their choice.
They start giving training and practice for the regular companies also. It doesn't matter from which branch you are. That's a good backup for us. Once you got placed in those regular companies, you can start focusing on the dream and super dream companies without any worries, because at least you have a job now.
As we have students from all parts of the country who are getting into VIT, we also get companies from all parts of the country coming in for recruitments. So every year we get about 700 plus companies visiting VIT for campus recruitment. So we have categorized the companies based on various parameters, the primary parameter being the salary, the compensation they offer. The companies that offer more than 10 lakhs per annum are categorized as super dream companies. The next set of companies are called as dream companies. Dream companies are those companies which are offering 5.5 lakhs to 10 lakhs as CTC. These are companies which are from IT product. Then we have captives from consulting, analytics, banks. So these form the dream IT category. We also have dream core engineering companies, which are companies like core engineering companies from automotive sector, the construction sector and other biotechnology sector, which come for recruitments.
I came to know about this college through a senior. So he was placed in core. His friends were also placed in core. So that's how I knew that there is a potential for core placement in VIT. So that attracted me a lot.
We also have the regular IT services companies like TCS, Cognizant, Infosys, Accenture. So they also visit VIT for regularly for placements. So VIT has got into Limca Book of Records for 10 times now. So for the highest number of campus recruitments, 7 times for the IT services recruitments and 3 times for the dream offers. So we have top super dream companies visiting VIT for placements. The highest offer for this current year is 41.6 lakhs offered by Microsoft. Microsoft has hired 7 students from VIT for the 2020 graduating batch. You name the big names in the Super Dream category, we have all of them in the campus for recruitments. In Dream category, we have big recruiters like Deloitte, KPMG, Bank of America, RBS, Ernst & Young. So these companies come and recruit. So though there is a downturn in the core engineering sector, we still attract good core engineering companies. For civil branch, we have companies like L&T Construction, Shapoorji and Palonji. The top automotive companies, they have an accreditation process. They do not visit many of the private institutions. So VIT is one of the private institutions which is accredited by top recruiters like Maruti, Daimler, Ford, Hyundai. So these companies come and recruit our mechanical and mechanical related branches on campus.
There are super dream companies in literally every month. Sometimes we wonder how does VIT bring so many companies here. So that is a really wonderful thing.
So VIT trains the students for campus placements right from the first year. And when they come to the final year, they are ready for the campus placements right from the day one of the process. Another key differentiator is our PG internships. They have a 10-month internship period. So we have about 100 plus companies in this category itself who are coming and hiring the PG interns. So by doing this, these students get a stipend of 15,000 to 80,000 per month when they go and join these companies as interns. And there is a 90% conversion after the internship, and the salaries ranges from 6 lakhs to 15 lakhs for a PG student who completes his PG from VIT. So we also have a full-time internship model for the BTechs as well. So the BTechs have a 6 months internship starting from December. Stipend ranges from 15,000 to 1 lakh rupee also per month, and these students get converted after the internship. So we get close to 300 plus companies from the BTech stream, for the BTech stream, for hiring them as interns when they come for the internship recruitments.
I got an internship while I was studying in my third year. It was a Super Gym internship. I completed my internship in Bangalore. Within a week's time, I got a pre-placement offer from the company.
Done my internship in NTPC, and PSUs like NTPC, they generally don't allow second year guys to do the internships, but the image of our college VIT make this happen.
Another initiative is about the international internships. Of late, we have started targeting international companies. So our students, since they have a 6 months internship period in their final semester, so we encourage them to go and do internships outside India. So we have students who have gone to US, UK and other countries for doing their final semester internships with these companies. So after their internship, they come back to India, work in their Indian offices, and they have an advantage of going abroad immediately after they fulfill their visa requirements. So these are some of the initiatives which we are doing on campus for recruitment. So we create an environment for the students. We facilitate them to get into a better job.
There's always a continuous information flow through the pad. They always have a proper communication with the students. It helps us to decide about the future in advance.